25th, yeah. It's Mysterious Life. I've got something different now. I just want to say holla to all them rappers, those who are willing to expose the corruption, especially at Parapara. Just say what's up to my niggas. Yeah. Feel this.
Interview bonkanera bafuna ndichipera ndi vatu vaparapara tikoto vapapera. Interview bonkanera bafuna ndichipera ndi vatu vaparapara tikoto vazvipera. Interview bonkanera bafuna ndichipera ndi vatu vaparapara adofi uri varenyera tiko warawara ngauri parapara titu farafara zvaparapara zvobarabara ndong'arang'ara tingongarangara nikadhi farafara kasinine na adofi kamizika rifi ndorwa rutingo mumwafara rutingo ari mysterious ridon kwamandambodiva uri ndimiringo vakonyita bingo ndichidovorosa fona vari iyani masvingo nimbere interview if we beg friends a few ndonodzita interview ZBC Univen musina FM na Power FM ndonova na fem ndikare vachizama mvisa kagemu laptop yanga vochinya rem ava vatu na satani same.
Yo, they come and go. I'm here to stay. And still, others do come and go. They've been coming and going.
Interview bonkanera bafuna ndichipera ndi vatu vaparapara tikoto vapapera. Interview bonkanera bafuna ndichipera ndi vatu vaparapara tikoto vazvipera. Interview bonkanera bafuna ndichipera ndi vatu vaparapara adofi uri varenyera. Interview asiyone iyane yadzirime tingaperi ngauri ati atime zvino vachitoda interview nditoamba chikuwa ngauri vayachuwa uamba dzimwe nyambo dzinonga chikuwa ndiamba kana imba na language imwe na imwe zvino interview ti inyaga tina chipinga tibvibinga kana tsvenga bora ndosinga. Interview dzavo ndadza upenga mbudziso dza obvious ndinyiparapara neanga interview mysterious mubanda ndonova panda royalty dzavo ndiranda timuranda ndiligwena tikotova sema.
These guys be crazy. They can think they can lie to the fence. The fence knows everything that is happening in the music industry. But they know who is the best and who is whack, even if they are played on air.
Interview bonkanera bafuna ndichipera ndi vatu vaparapara tikoto vapapera. Interview bonkanera bafuna ndichipera ndi vatu vaparapara tikoto vazvipera. Interview bonkanera bafuna ndichipera ndi vatu vaparapara adofi uri varenyera.
No, those guys at Parapara so vain that they think this song is about him. They wish that I fly under the radar. No wonder why they played Mashona track memo and told listeners that it's from Bomb. I wrote it down and recorded it so that it won't be forgotten or ignored.